when you have someone who is visually handicapped, the best way is, for example, if this was his mom, then he will do this. Not so loud, I'm sorry. Something like your drink, sir, at your 1 o'clock. To make the noise go.
Oh, to 1 o'clock.
Yeah, your 1 o'clock. We go by the time framework. So, for example, I think he's really seen how his food looks like. But for example, he's eating very comfortably. Okay.
I like the way you choose, Joe.
If you don't know, I mean, you know, it's from the start. You actually got to say we have a way of displaying our food. So we always go like rice.
No,
3 o'clock.
Joe.
Okay.
Rice 3 o'clock.
I know you see me.
Egg 12 o'clock. Chili 9 o'clock, whatever, and we place it like that, so that they know like which and when.
Babe, 6 o'clock.
Huh?
No, that was.
Maybe 12 o'clock.
Adding something onto your plate.
This is called a blind date.
Not bad. Blind date with 3 girls.
Must answer.
No. And you realize that, I don't know, I guess for you don't even know who you realize that eating with your hands is probably easier.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? But as opposed to using chopsticks, I think most totally blind people, they do not use chopsticks.
And Indians.
I'm sorry?
And Indians.
Yeah.
They don't use Indians. We've been telling you this all the time, you don't listen to us. Use your hands.
So we always try to serve our food in such a way that's easy for them to eat. So finger food, correct display, and as well as something that's not too slippery to be used with a fork and spoon. Yeah, that sort of thing. Okay. So now someone has added something. So what do you think you should say
This
to
reminds
this?
me of 9.5.
Ashley, you've added something. You should tell him what you're doing.
Oh yeah. She doesn't want to tell.
Okay.
It's a surprise. Use your.
Smell your spoon. Poke it and then smell your spoon.
Yeah, 1 o'clock. He's very confident, sir. Yeah, use your finger. Dirty fingers.
And he didn't wash his fingers before he started eating.
That's okay.
B12, B12.
It's contaminated.
That's how you strengthen your immunity, man.
Or lower it.
Yeah, first you got to fall sick. Actually, maybe I'll share with you what I did just on Friday with this bunch of